What is up, gang, 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 gang? It's your girl, Chanel.janai from around the way. Hey, hey! And in today's video, I'm going to do a quick review and demo of Keisha Kayor's Lip Glitz. First, I'm going to show you the packaging. It came in a box like this. So pretty, and it was just so cute to me. So her site is very easy to maneuver. And you will also see, as far as pricing, that you can get the glitz by itself, which looks like this. It's basically the glitter that makes your lips look like what you saw. And if you get just the glitz, that is $14.99. Or you can get things as a package, and in the package you will get the glitz, you will get the lipstick that matches the glitz, and you'll also get an applicator. So if you get the package the way this is, the cost is $27.99, I believe. So I know. You want me to hurry up and just put on the lipstick, right? So you can see how it looks and how it works, right? I know. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Because I just know. I know. Y'all can't wait to see. I know. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Skirt! Okay, so the first lipstick that I'm going to use right now is called Invisible. So she puts the name of it at the bottom of the lipstick. And the other good thing about it is that you can see the color of which one you're trying to put on. So you don't have to worry about searching for it, forever in your bag. So, first things first. Oh, also I have nothing on my lips. You want to start out with nothing at all on your lips. So now this is Invisible. Oh, and also the lipstick and the glitz come together as a deal. So this glitz is also called Invisible. So first we put the lipstick on. You want to be very, very precise of where you're putting the lipstick. You want it to hit every part of your lip, like you see me doing. So you're really going to shake it because there's holes at the top of this thing. So you shake it a little bit to get some glitter on the top part of this container. And then you open this very, very carefully. Trust me, y'all. You can make a big mess if you are not careful. You dip the applicator into the glitz. And just so that you do know, we are not rubbing this at all. You want to be sure to dab, and very, very carefully and bit by bit. Take your time. And just so you know, the applicator, you don't have to throw this out. It literally, the glitter wipes off with a towel. So just take a towel and rub your applicator clean very gently. And I have little fuzzy things on it, but it's clean. See? Yeah. So now that you've seen how to apply the product, I'm going to show you 2 of the colors and then give my final review of the product. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, now you have seen all 3 colors that I own. That was Invisible, Nudity, and Love You, in that order. How about this? Comment down below after you watch this video, which color did you like the best? Did you like the first one, which was Invisible? Did you like the second one, which was called Nudity? Or the third one, which is what I have on right now, and it's called Love You. Now, one other thing to know about this lipstick is that this lasts for a full 24 hours. So you shouldn't have to clean it up, and you shouldn't have to reapply it throughout the day and freshen up. Nothing like that. It should be good to go throughout the whole 24 hours until you're ready to take it off. Secondly, like I said in the beginning, be sure to dab the glitz onto your lips. Don't rub it. That's how it's supposed to be done. So just remember, dab and take your time. Do it bit by bit and just dab, 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 dab. I love it. I have nothing bad to say about it. Another thing you want to keep in mind is that this glitz will not work with any other regular lipstick. So Keisha Kaur has this design to only work with her lipstick, and how whatever kind of combination she has going on with them, the glitz attaches to the lipstick. So that's what's happening here. Like, you don't see this falling off. You may see a little tiny bit around my face, but you don't see a lot. The lipstick holds it on there. I have worn this for my birthday last year, which my birthday is this month, by the way. Ew, ew, ew. And it lasted me the whole night that I was out. Like, the whole night. That's even if you eat a little bit of food. I wouldn't go crazy and have sauce all over my mouth. But you can eat whatever you're going to eat, drink whatever you're going to drink, and you should still be fine. Just don't go crazy, and just be ladylike and be classy. And remember that you have glitter on your lips. I give this product a freaking 10. I haven't found not one thing that I do not like about this product. Don't mind my lashes. They are really annoying me. However, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel today. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe as well. Show me some love. Show me some support. But I do recommend you guys going to check her page out, Keisha Kayor. I will put the link to Keisha Kayor's website in the description box down below. So be sure to get that thing a click and go look at some of the other colors. She has tons and tons of colors, you guys. You don't have to worry about. She has yellow, greens, blues, purples, everything. Gold. The gold is what I want next. I really want the gold one. But yes, y'all, be sure to check it out. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys. I love you guys. And see you next time.